Glam Kitchen Gang, and a warm welcome to any new viewers. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Today's top tier recipe is lemon pepper leg quarters. All ingredients and instructions are listed in the link in my description box. If you missed something, please know you can go to that link and grab the full recipe. In the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes at home, and I'm not here to waste your time because, child, we need to get you cooking. So let's get into it. Starting out with some clean washed chicken and season it with my all-purpose seasoning. The link is in the description for that. Then I'm going in with my Badia complete seasoning. I love this stuff. My lemon pepper seasoning, I actually love the McCormick brand. Then I'm adding paprika, extra virgin olive oil, garlic paste. You could also use minced garlic if you don't have this garlic paste. And fresh lemon juice. Please use a real lemon, okay? Fresh ingredients always make the meals taste better, but if you gotta do what you gotta do, then I guess you could use bottled lemon juice. And now, as you can see, I'm going in, I am mixing the chicken, making sure that all of the pieces of chicken are evenly coated with the seasoning. Take your time, make sure that seasoning is all over those leg quarters. These leg quarters are now ready to go into the oven. Make sure that your oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Now, while they're baking, I want you to baste the chicken every like 20 minutes. That's how we're gonna keep them juicy. You're gonna baste the chicken with the pan juices about every 20 minutes. I recommend baking them for about 50 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your leg quarters. Larger leg quarters may require a longer cook time. And child, these leg quarters are done. They are so juicy. I just sprinkled a little parsley over them and cut up a few lemon slices, and these just look and taste amazing, y'all. And there you have it, top tier lemon pepper leg quarters. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, y'all. Have an amazing day or night. Bye-bye.